Black's objective is to make a living shape here. And the key method here is build 2 eyes. And if you're an experienced player, one move should jump out at you, right here. Because this shape guarantees 1 eye right here. And there should be another real eye somewhere around here, on the left. And that's the correct move. White cannot come in here, and white can't really come in here either. If white plays here on the second line, then it'll be cut off like this by black. And white cannot kill black after number 1. So this is a classic build 2 eyes method, but playing at number 1 guarantees 1 real eye here, and it guarantees another real eye on the other side. Playing anywhere else will fail. And you can try some of the variations on your own. I'll just try to show you a couple. Like if you play here, white can reduce your eye space. Black is in trouble. Black plays here, white can play this. And eventually this will be a bulky 5 or a pyramid 4 shape. Those are both dead shapes for black. Similarly, if black plays here trying to increase eye space, white can still play this move. And black will still be dead. It will be something like this. Or this. If black tries this, then it seems like white can play this move. If black plays here, then this will be a dead shape for black. This will be a bulky 5 in the end. If black plays here, then white can connect back this way. And this will not be enough eye space. If black plays here, each move is a tricky challenge for white, so you need to be careful. Otherwise, you can definitely play some variations where white makes a mistake and black becomes alive. Right? So here, white still needs to be careful about the sequence. It should be here first. Black must cut off white, and then this. Black once again must cut off white, and now white can come in like this. And eventually, right, black cannot play this. This will be an illegal move. But if black plays this, white connects, this will be a pyramid 4 shape. If black doesn't play, eventually, right, if white needs to capture all of black, this will be a bulky 5 shape after 10 and 12. So after 4, 6, and 8, this is a dead shape for black. So you can try some of the other variations on your own. Be careful. If white makes a mistake, black can still probably live. But the only correct answer here is this one. It's the build 2 eyes method, and it should be more and more intuitive as you become a stronger player. Good luck, and thank you for watching.